Hey everybody, back again. I got a quick unboxing. I got a new PDU in for my next rack. It's going to show the actual PDU and some of the cords that you need to buy, so you don't waste money like I did when I first started buying the wrong cords for your PDU. All right, so this is a 30 amp Tripp Lite PDU. Comes with the L630P plug. All my receptacles downstairs are that style. Also has your C19 and C20 plugs, which are C13 and C14 plugs as well. All right, guys, the two common cords you'll get that you may need, is your C19 to C20 plugs. They look like this. Your C13 to C14 plugs, which look like this. C13 to C14 are this side over here. It goes in as such. And the C19, the C20 are used right here. These are usually a higher amp draw. I haven't seen too many devices that need this much pull that we use in the mining. I could be wrong though. Most of our power supplies and server PSUs, the C13, C14, will work just fine. These are rated for 15 amps times 240. You can do the math to figure out how many watts that is. I haven't seen a power supply that puts out that many watts. So for your basic setup, usually your ATX power supplies, like your Vega, usually will take comes with your normal plug for 110. You see that there. It also has the C13 plug that goes in the back. And if you're worried about switching over to 240, do I have to buy all the equipment? You don't, because they're rated, if you look on the side here, they're rated for 100 to 240 volts. So you can run this on your 30 amp, 240 volt PDU. All you need to do is take the C13, C14 plug like I showed earlier, go into the back of your ATX power supply, and the other side goes into the PDU. And again, this side will be plugged into your L630P 30 amp 240 volt receptacle that you have installed by a licensed electrician if you don't know what you're doing. Next is going to be server PSUs. Okay, server PSUs. You can get different brands of server PSUs. This is a Dell. I think I got this one from Parallel Miner. The reason I got it, it's a 1400 watt server PSU. I want to try to compete with my ATX 1600 watt when I'm running my rigs. The only downside to this one is the power plug is totally different, if you see that. Cool thing about Parallel Miner, they usually give you adapters that will convert over to the C13, C14. If you buy from elsewhere, just make sure you look at your plug style or the brand and find a conversion to your C13, C14, or C19 to 20 if you want to go that route. But again, Parallel Miner supplies the adapter for you. So you would go adapter, and this, and again, read the description of your server PSU. This one is only rated for 240 volts or 220, or whatever you use. So you can't run this on 110 at all. And so all my rigs are on 240 now. I made the transition over when I switched. So I have nothing to worry about with that. So again, you would take the adapter. This again comes from Parallel Miner. They send the adapter with you. Goes in, you see 13 to C14 in there, and into your PDU, just like so.